In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see bank info on TurboTax. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to find the bank details tied to your refund or your tax payment, and how to confirm they're correct. First, open TurboTax and sign in to your Intuit account. If you're not signed in yet, use the official TurboTax link in the description to reach the sign-in page safely. Once you're in, you'll land on your tax home dashboard. Here, select Continue to open your current return or to access a previously filed one. Next, head to the File section from the top menu. If TurboTax presents a few filing screens, just keep moving through them until you arrive at the area that summarizes your filing choices. This is typically where refund and payment details live. Now, look for sections labeled Refund Method, Direct Deposit, or Tax Payment Information. These sections show the banking information you used for your return. If you chose direct deposit for a refund, TurboTax often displays the bank name, the routing number, and your account number, though the account number may be partially masked for security. Review what's shown on screen and make sure it looks familiar. It's common to see just the last few digits of the account number, which helps you confirm it without exposing the full number. If you can't find the details there, another reliable place to check is your filed return PDF. From Tax Home, go to your tax returns and documents and download the PDF for the tax year you're reviewing if it's available. Open the PDF and look for a section called Electronic Filing Instructions or Direct Deposit Information. These pages typically list the bank routing and account details used for either your refund or any scheduled payment. If you scheduled a withdrawal to pay your taxes, there will be a payment section that shows the account used along with the scheduled date and amount. Take a moment to verify that the routing number and account number match the bank account you intended to use. Compare the last few digits you see in TurboTax or in the PDF to your bank records. Remember, for your security, TurboTax may not display the full account number on screen. That's it. You've located and reviewed your bank information in TurboTax, both within the File section and in the filed return PDF if needed. If you're signed out at any point, just return to the sign-in page and repeat these steps. Thanks for watching.